The human body is an incredible machine. It's capable of amazing feats of strength, agility, and endurance. One of the key systems that makes all of this possible is the muscular system. Muscles are essential for life. We use them for everything from breathing and digesting food to running and jumping. The muscular system is made up of over 600 muscles. These muscles are made up of specialized cells that can contract and relax. This contraction and relaxation produces force, which is what allows us to move our bodies. Muscles are found throughout the body. They are attached to bones by tendons. When a muscle contracts, it pulls on the bone, causing movement. Muscles also help to give our bodies shape and support. In this essay, we will explore the fascinating world of muscles. We will delve into their functions, properties, and the different types that make up this incredible system. The primary function of the muscular system is to facilitate movement. Whether it's the blink of an eye or a marathon run, muscles are the driving force behind every action we take. But muscles don't act alone. They work in perfect harmony with the nervous system, a complex communication network that sends signals throughout the body. Imagine you want to pick up a book. Your brain sends an electrical signal down your spinal cord and through your nerves to the muscles in your arm and hand. This signal instructs the muscles to contract, generating the force needed to lift the book. This intricate interplay between the nervous and muscular systems allows us to interact with the world around us. Muscles possess 5 key properties that enable them to perform their remarkable functions: excitability, contractility, extensibility, elasticity, and adaptability. Excitability, also known as irritability, refers to a muscle's ability to respond to stimuli, such as nerve impulses. This responsiveness is crucial for initiating muscle contractions. Contractility is the muscle's ability to shorten forcefully, generating the power needed for movement. Imagine flexing your biceps. That's contractility in action. Extensibility is the ability to be stretched or lengthened without being damaged. This property allows muscles to return to their resting length after a contraction. Elasticity enables muscles to recoil to their original shape after being stretched. Finally, adaptability refers to the muscle's ability to change in response to use or disuse. Regular exercise can lead to muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy, while inactivity can result in muscle wasting or atrophy. Section 4. Muscle mechanics, types of movement. Muscles are responsible for a wide range of movements, each with its own specific purpose. These movements are often categorized into pairs as they work in opposition to each other. Adduction and abduction involve movements towards and away from the midline of the body, respectively. Think of raising your arms out to the sides, that's abduction, and then bringing them back down, that's adduction. Flexion and extension involve changing the angle between 2 bones. Bending your elbow is an example of flexion, while straightening it is extension. Rotation involves turning a body part around its axis, like shaking your head no. These coordinated movements, made possible by different muscle groups working together, allow us to navigate our environment with precision. Section 5. The muscle trio: cardiac, smooth, and skeletal. The human body relies on 3 main types of muscle tissue: cardiac, smooth, and skeletal. Each type plays a unique role and has distinct characteristics. Cardiac muscle, as its name suggests, is found exclusively in the heart. This specialized muscle is responsible for the rhythmic contractions that pump blood throughout the body. Cardiac muscle is involuntary, meaning we don't have to consciously control its contractions. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. It controls involuntary movements like digestion and blood pressure regulation. Skeletal muscle, the most abundant type, is attached to bones and enables voluntary movements like walking, talking, and writing. Skeletal muscles are under our conscious control, allowing us to interact with our surroundings. Section 6. Teamwork makes the dream work. Support structures for muscles. Muscles don't work in isolation. They rely on a network of supporting structures that enable them to function effectively. Tendons are strong, fibrous cords that attach muscles to bones. When a muscle contracts, the tendon transmits the force to the bone, causing movement. Fascia is a thin sheath of connective tissue that surrounds muscles, providing support and reducing friction during movement. These supporting structures, along with ligaments, which connect bones to each other, work in concert with muscles to ensure smooth, coordinated movement. Section 7. Muscles and nerves, a dynamic duo. The intricate relationship between muscles and nerves is crucial for voluntary movement. Skeletal muscles in particular rely heavily on signals from the nervous system. Specialized nerve cells called motor neurons transmit signals from the brain and spinal cord to muscle fibers. These signals initiate muscle contractions, allowing for precise control over our movements. Damage to these nerve pathways can disrupt this communication, leading to muscle weakness or paralysis. For example, a spinal cord injury can sever nerve connections, resulting in a loss of voluntary movement below the injury site. The interplay between muscles and nerves highlights the remarkable coordination and complexity of the human body. In the next installment, we will delve deeper into the world of muscles, exploring specific muscle groups and common conditions that can affect them. Stay tuned for an exciting journey into the fascinating realm of human anatomy and physiology.